am attempting the DIY butterfly cut today. My hair is freshly washed and I need 3 ponytail holders. Let me grab those. Alright, that's a whole handful. Okay. The first one, sorry about that crazy light. The first ponytail goes from ear to ear. I already watched the video. Well, I watched multiple videos actually. Alright, so there's the first part. Here's the second one. Alright. Huh. Alright. Okay, did I get it all? I don't know, I couldn't get it all. I have some hairs that are just shorter. Okay. Alrighty. First ponytail in. Okay. I think I need a brush for the second one. Hold on. Okay. Alright, now I need a middle one, which I'm gonna do from the top of the ears back. Ugh, it's tangled. Okay. All right. Need this side piece in. Ugh. This one is hard. Ugh. Okay. Phew. All right. Number 2 is going in. Ooh. All right, number 2 is in. Number 3, actually, I don't really need to do that one in a ponytail, but I need to get this one out of the way for a bit. All right. Okay. Because I'm going to trim this one. I am using some fancy schmancy scissors that came with my dog grooming kit. All right. Now how am I going to do it straight? Probably just put it over into the sink. Oop. There we go. All right. Can't see very well. I don't have my glasses on. I'm cutting my hair without my glasses. I do have my contacts on, but I need both to see really well. Okay, so how did that look? Okay, that was decent. We'll touch it up afterwards with the glasses. All right, here we go. Into the meat of the cut. Oh, this is scary. Well, are we supposed to do the front one first? I'm scared to do the front one. All right, so you're just supposed to pull it over. How much do we want to do? I'm just gonna do it to here. We can always take more off. Ah! How much is that? I'm bad at measuring without a measurer. Okay. 2 done. 1 more to go. This is quick, huh? Why spend 4 hours in the salon when you can cut your hair in 5 minutes in the comfort of your own bathroom? Okay, so I kind of want it around my chin, but I'm too chicken to cut it that short. How much is that? Maybe 2 inches? So I'm gonna just, I'm gonna start here. Oh my God, what did I do? Look how much I cut. Oh my God. Woo, I did it. I don't know if I cut enough, but if I didn't cut enough, I can do a part 2, I guess. Hold on. All right, let's take this out, and let's take this out, and let's see what happened. Okay, what happened? Okay, it's in the right shape, so we have this curve here, so we did that correctly. All right. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right, I'm hoping to have more volume. All right, I'm gonna go dry it and then I'll be back. All right, so for the first go round, I have a regular blow dryer, and I'm gonna flip my head upside down and dry the root area and get the majority of the moisture out. Next, I'm going to pull out my blow dryer brush. To finish it up. Truth has arrived. definitely some movement, but I probably could take more off. But I do have these little butterfly swoops that are pretty long, so the front part could probably be shorter. I'm just scared to cut it shorter. But it definitely worked like they said it did. So very easy cut to do at home by yourself. Woo! Thank you for tuning in.